Hello, my name is Kaleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 26D25. This is your half-inch trailer stud, commonly used on 3,500-pound axles, 5,200-pound, and 6,000-pound axles. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is part number 26D25, and it has the identifying marks on it, 26D25. We'll just measure it out real quick. Like I said, it's commonly used on like 3,500-pound axles, 52 and 6,000-pound axles. So the overall length of this guy is going to be 2.18 inches. The head is going to be 0.76 or 3/4 of an inch, pretty much. The knurl diameter, the most important part that actually presses into the hub, is going to be 0.61 inches. And of course it's half inch. That actually measures 0.48. And then the length of the right here is going to be about 1.37 inches. So this is a real common stud. Alright, so if you need this replacement stud, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.